How to create an essay question. In this video, we will learn how to create an essay question. Let's get started. First, go to your course page and click on the More tab. From the drop-down menu, select Question Banks. You will see a section listed Question Banks in this course and a section listing other activities with questions. Click on the System Shared Question Bank to access the question bank. Here you can use the category filter to choose the category you would like to add your question to. Use the drop-down menu to see all categories listed in this course. Click Apply Filters to carry out the search. Here you can find all created questions and drafts in our selected category. We are going to use a pre-existing category. To create a category, reference the video How to Use the Question Bank Part 1, which is linked in the description below. Click your chosen category. To add an essay question to a category, click on Create a New Question. This will open up a catalog that displays a variety of questions and question types. From this catalog, select the question type essay and click Add. This will bring you to the question editing interface. In the general category, let's fill out the basics. Enter the name of the question, question text, which is the question being asked to the students, question status, default mark, general feedback, and ID number. Let's move on to the response options section, where you can configure how students will submit their answers. Start by selecting the response format. For most essay questions, the HTML editor is the preferred choice, as it allows students to format their responses using features such as headings, bullet points, and text styling. Next, decide whether text response is required. When enabled, students must enter written content before they can submit their answer. You can also adjust the input box size to control how much of the response area is visible to students while they are writing. If your essay requires a specific length, you can set a minimum word limit to ensure students provide sufficient detail, or a maximum word limit to keep responses within the expected range. You can also choose whether to allow attachments. When enabled, students may upload supporting files, such as documents, images, or other resources, alongside their written response. To further guide students, you may add a response template. This template appears in the answer box when students begin the question and can provide a suggested structure, prompts, or instructions to help them organize their response. Once the response settings are configured, scroll down to the Greater Information section. Here, you can enter marking guidelines, assessment criteria, or notes that will only be visible to instructors and graders during the marking process. Finally, you can add tags to help organize your questions and make them easier to find within the question bank. Once you have completed all required settings, review your question to ensure everything is correct. Finally, click Save Changes to add the essay question to the selected category in the question bank. Your essay question is now ready to be used in quizzes and assessments, so now you can create an essay question.